Brian's practice is thriving. Every day, he's opening new accounts and his book of business doubled last quarter. While he wants to continue expanding, compliance, regulatory, and operational tasks are taking crucial time away from clients and prospects, and he hasn't had a vacation in over a year. Brian wants to do more of what he loves and less of what he doesn't. Then he heard about the Financial Services Network. The Financial Services Network is a team of experienced professionals who are dedicated to helping independent advisors like you build, grow, and manage your practice. Their business model is designed to maximize your compensation while providing access to a suite of customizable services to help achieve business goals. They're a national enterprise office supporting independent financial advisors with supervisory, custodial, and broker-dealer connectivity. They use their 6 core services to assist savvy entrepreneurs. Brian chose to partner with the Financial Services Network. The results? He now has higher compensation and lower overhead. Brian also has more time to spend with his clients and prospects so he can grow his practice the way he wants. He may even book that dream vacation. Thanks to the Financial Services Network, Brian does more of what he loves and less of what he doesn't.